and welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz and I'm doing a piston token update. I know they had some problems with the launch with the contract and the liquidity. There was a lot more people buying with BNB than BUSD and they had to move some tokens around. That was delayed by 1 day. And then the race launch was delayed by a few minutes. Now everything is working and everything is smooth. Obviously, they're still going to run into some small glitches that will be getting ironed out over time. But now the site is active. You can buy the token, you can enter the race, you can join my team. I will leave links under the description of this video to join my team and I'll show you how everything works. So this is a piston token launch review. Here at the top, you have start, which is the home screen, and it gives you the piston token value here in BUSD. Here you can claim. If you were part of the pre-sale, you can claim there. If you click on swap, this is where you buy the piston token. I highly recommend to come in here. There's 0 transaction fees and you're secure if you buy directly from their site. I know there's been a lot of scams and a lot of problems, and this is the easiest, best way to buy the piston token. You need BUSD, you come to the swap and you enter your BUSD amount here and you get the piston token. It even tells you the current price that you'll be paying. That's how you buy the token, the safest way. You can go 2 ways about it after you buy the token. You can trade the token and just hold the token, or you can enter the race for my weekly airdrops and get those daily rewards. So then you want to come here to the race, and the race looks amazing. The UI is so nice. It's very clear, and I'm going to explain some of these functions here. This is a race dashboard after you buy your tokens. If you want to partake on the daily rewards and my weekly airdrops, this is how you would do this. Here is the race dashboard. Here is the information for my pit crew boost level, which means how many lines I've unlocked for the team rewards. If we scroll down, you can buy piston here. It'll take you back to the swap, and here is where you deposit these tokens. I logged into another account to show you how you join my team. You come here and you click start. There's 2 ways from my understanding. You could either type in CryptoKoinz here, make your deposit and approve and deposit. If you use my referral link, it will automatically input my team, or the safest way is to actually put my address here. I just copied my address. I have my address in my Discord channel, and I also will have it under the description of this video. You go here and you paste my address. My address ends in 2BBD. Then you enter the amount of pistons you want to deposit into the race, you approve it, and that's how you join my team. Once you do that, this will be enabled and you'll be part of my team. Now let's go back to the team account. Once you start the race and you want to add more funds, you can deposit here. And here it takes you to the swap. So I've unlocked 5 levels of referrals. If you want to create your team under me, you're more than welcome to. You come here and you have to buy the levels of referrals to unlock those lines. I bought up to 5 lines as of now. If the team grows, I will continue to buy more. Now, if you want to start your own team, I recommend just buying 1 or 2 lines to start off. There's no need to buy multiple lines right off the bat. The good thing about the lines is that it is based on a dollar amount value. So it doesn't matter if the token goes up or down in value. These will be constant. So there isn't a need to buy all lines, all 15 lines at once. You could ease your way into it as your team grows. And I'll show you how you'll know when to unlock new levels. Let's go back to the race. Here's a nitro to recompound those rewards. It tells you here on the right, available fuel. I have 0.0173 piston token available to claim or to reinvest, and here you can claim. Here's to recompound and here's to claim. Very nice user interface. It gives me my stats here, my gas tank. I have 49 tokens in here. This is including the referrals and the dollar value amount here. It shows you the meter 5x. You do cap out, and it gives you here a visual of deposits and your cap out, which is very neat. Now this meter here is called the NDV. In order for you to be able to receive rewards, this needs to be positive, and this is what it reads. If the result of the following equation is positive, you can receive pit crew boost rewards. If it's not, then those rewards will be forfeited. So in order to qualify for my airdrops, this needs to be positive. In order for it to be positive, this equals to your deposits, compounds plus airdrops minus your claims. If this equation is negative, you will not qualify for the airdrops. So if you claim more than what you've invested, it will not allow you to qualify for these airdrops. And it has a meter here. And it's good to know. I haven't seen this in other sites. It has all the functions you need to know where you stand, which I love. There's no confusion here. And if you scroll down, it shows you the round robin. The next member that will get that round robin is this wallet address. If you go down here to view my pit crew, and if the developers are watching this video, I think this view my pit crew should be somewhere up here, a little bit more accessible. Just a suggestion if you guys watch the video here. It's a little hidden and you have to go down. Here is where you see your pit crew. You click here and it takes you to this dashboard. The site still has some minor glitches, but overall it's running, it's functioning, and you can partake in it. So now we're here in my pit crew. Here you can level up and add more tokens if you want to unlock those additional lines. This is only for people who want to create their team. You don't have to come up here and level up. Another thing to take note of is when you put your tokens here to unlock those referral lines, those tokens, you don't have access to them. You don't earn rewards on those tokens, and you cannot withdraw those tokens. The only way you can withdraw those tokens when you finish the race. And how do you finish the race? You have to obtain 55,000 piston tokens, if I remember correctly from the white paper. Until the team reaches 55,000 piston tokens, I will not have access to these tokens. The purpose of piston token is to create a team and to grow that team up to 55,000 piston tokens. At that point, you finish the race and you would have to start a new wallet and start all over. And then at that point, you'll be able to withdraw your level up tokens, and you'll be able to withdraw the dollar amount that you invested, not the number of tokens. This is based on dollar amount. And here you can see it says 0. So it is a little glitchy. It's not reflecting my members. Deposited 54 piston tokens, boost received 22 piston tokens. And here is something that they added that I love. If we zoom out, I can see my team. It shows you the hierarchy of your team. I'm part of the piston token team of the developers, and then it's me, and then it's my team. As of now, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 members. Thank you guys for joining the team. What I'm going to do today is do an airdrop 1 piston token for each of my new team members here. I'm going to test out the site, and thank you guys in return for being the first crew members. So now that we're talking about the airdrop, if you go up here, you see this. April 7th, airdrop version 2 will be released. They're going to release a newer version of these functions that will allow you to do team airdrops. As of now, you could only send airdrops to individual team members. So we're going to do that right now to see how it works. So I'm going to click here on this team member, and it comes out here immediately. I'm going to send an airdrop, 1 piston token, send. Approve the transaction. Perfect, and that worked out. BD13, you just received 1 piston token. Let's go to the next team member. Going to send them an airdrop. Let's go here. 1. Let's send them 1 token. All right. Money Badger, I just sent you 1 piston token. Right on. Let's go to the next pit crew member. Send them 1 airdrop. Let's do it. Perfect. Let's go to the next one. And it tells me which one I selected, so I know that I'm going in order, and it makes it easy so I don't double send. Voss, you're getting 1 token there. All right, Voss, you got 1 token. Let's go to the next member. Let's send 1 token. This is very nice and very smooth. All right, that went through. I like how you don't have to do a search and filter. You can just look at your group and immediately just select it visually on this tree here. It's very simple. You select the member and it's hassle-free. Great job there out of the developers. All right, perfect. Next member. Let's send them 1 token. I like the animation too. All right, Smith, you just received 1 token. Let's go 2 more members and we're done here. The site's running smooth. Everything looks good. And if you want to partake in my team, I do have a Discord, a dedicated channel where you'll have the latest updates and team updates. Let's go to the last member here. All right, awesome. And that is how the platform works. So it does read here that I have 0 members. It has a glitch, but as you can see, everything is working. I just dropped 9 tokens to my first team members. I really appreciate it, guys, for joining my team very early on. And here you can zoom in, which is great. And you can select, and then you can select and collapse the team members and open the team members. And you can see under them or next to them and see the whole tree. And I can see who's above me. And it's just a nice feature. It's just, you could see if you need to unlock further levels. For instance, I unlocked 5 levels. I didn't have to do that. So far, it's just 1 level for my team. Now, if you guys decide to start your own teams, then our team would reap the rewards of those downlines. So that's how you know if you need more downlines or not. So I would recommend minimum of 3 downlines to start off. You would need 1, and then you'll see when this 1 line expands to the 2nd line, then you'll know that it's time to open up a 4th line. So once those lines start filling up, you know that you're ahead of the game. So I would suggest minimum 3 downlines to start off. You don't have to open up all 15. It doesn't matter. The token price doesn't matter. The price to open up those lines will always stay constant in dollar amount. That's pretty neat. You don't have to guess, and you can work your way into bigger teams as necessary. And that is the airdrop function. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, got yourself familiar with the application. Today is day 1. I'm pretty excited. We did the first airdrop here, and don't forget to come and check out my Discord channel, piston-token channel. I have it in the pinned messages. I have my piston-token referral link, also my piston-token team address if you want to manually do it. And I will also be posting this video in this channel. So that is piston-token. My experience with it so far, amazing. Everything is clear and it's all the information necessary to run a smooth functioning team. So that's going to do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like, subscribe buttons down below. If you found this video of any value, I really appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.